anyone who's interested in learning cooking and feels that a 1-day or a 2-day workshop is enough to learn the skill, then you're absolutely wrong. Because today I'm going to be introducing you to a place that is IICCM, which is the perfect and the right place for you to become a globally certified chef. Now you might be wondering why IICCM? Because here you will be getting trained under experienced chef who has an average 15 to 20 years of industry experience. Apart from that, here you will be getting a 100% placement guarantee wherein you will be getting placed in 4-star or 5-star hotels which is in India or abroad. Apart from that, you will be getting mock interviews and project presentations as well, which is done to boost the confidence level amongst students. Now this is the Continental Kitchen wherein these aspiring chefs are trained by their head chefs to master the art of cooking. Now they are taught various basic French preparations like cuts of vegetables, soups, sauces, mother sauces, along with a lot of different cooking techniques like grilling, poaching, spherification, gelation, etc. And gradually they also enter into egg, poultry, seafood and meat food cookery as well. Now different cereals, lentils, vegetables are also taught to these aspiring chefs in their specifically curated industry menus, wherein they are taught cuisines from across the globe, specifically the Arabic and the continental recipes as well, wherein they are taught more than 500 recipes, including the most popular recipes, the most traditional recipes and the most authentic recipes from both the cuisines. This is the Indian kitchen wherein students are trained to enter into the world of spices and its blends. Over here, students are trained to learn different regional cuisines like Bengali, Awadhi, South Indian, Hyderabadi, Punjabi and so on. Apart from this, students are trained to learn basic Indian curry preparations, tandoori marinations, appetizers, Indian soups, etc. And students over here are trained to learn all types of biryani, be it the Talisheri biryani, Kolkata biryani, Hyderabadi biryani, Awadhi biryani and their traditional accompaniments as well. Along with this, they are also trained to learn different tikkas, kebabs, breads from tandoor and so on, be it the street food types or the breakfast options, be it North Indian or South Indian. Students are trained to learn everything. The pastry chef is introduced into the world of baking with basic equipments and tools like whisk, blender, mixer, refrigerator, freezer, etc. And with basic ingredients like flours, types of sugar and sweeteners, types of chocolates, flavorings, etc. Then the students are familiarized with baking techniques like mixing, laminating, glazing, proofing and so on. Our authentic chefs have created countless bakery preparations like French pastry, bonbon, baguettes, mousse, mendiants, etc. This is the classroom wherein all of the theoretical knowledge is provided to the students. Apart from this, there are also practical presentations as well as personality development classes that are taken to understand how students are progressing to the knowledge that has been given to them. After all of the theory and practical sessions, students come over here to relax themselves. This is the gaming zone wherein students come over here after a tiring day to relax and rejuvenate themselves. We all know that content is king today, and for that reason, this is the studio kitchen wherein all of the students are given a chance to cook dishes in front of the camera so that all of this content can be used for future purposes. This is the restaurant setup wherein tea, coffee, breakfast and other things are served, as well as students are taught how to serve guests with food and beverages. For more information, call us on 91753 95121 or 950 328 3277. Our address, first floor, G Mall, Manjari Budru, Pune, Maharashtra. Pin code 412307.